it's Wade. Wade's Unboxing with a little product today here. It is the, if you can see this, Fantaseal. It is a mounting mechanism for well, it says for GoPro, but it is for a wide variety of action cams, and I plan on using it with my Sony. And it really is the action cam helmet side mount. So it comes with a whole whack of pieces. Let me see if I can open this up without losing everything. And it kind of depends on your particular action cam, which pieces you will end up using. Because some of the pieces, it's mainly these two pieces, I think, will predict which cameras you use. Oh. So, comes with some 3M tape, double-sided tape that was used to affix one of the two. There are two, comes with two. They both curved. They curved it all. Little tiny curves on them. Not sure if you can see it. Slight curve to these mounting brackets. So you would use your 3M tape and then mount that to the side of your helmet. That's when then this mechanism comes into play, which snaps onto the mount, and then you start, depending on what kind of camera you have, doing additional. So let's try this out. So I think first step would be you could yeah. So you would put, first we get that, and then we could come, let's see, like this next. And see if we can get that together. And then finally you could do this. And depending on, well, for me this is not going to work because I need this kind of on an angle, pointing this way. So most likely this will come off, and this will come off. And this will be the, let me see if I can get those lined up a little bit better. Yeah. So this will probably be the mounting setup for the action cam, which will sit like so. I can just use this. So the action cam, because the action cam is long and narrow, you would mount it here, and then your helmet would be here, so you would have the side of the camera on the side of the helmet. And if you're doing GoPro, you could use different mechanism depending on your, like I said, depending on your camera, you will choose the different attachments. And that's pretty much it. Oh, I forgot this little pack here. So I think these are just safety tie lines at the end. Oh, this might be some kind of tool. I'm not sure. Okay. Maybe. Yeah, I have no clue what this is. It kind of looks like a little wrench. And it may be used for GoPro. I don't know. I don't know how I'm going pro. And this here looks like perhaps a safety line. But again, I am not sure. You could probably, you know, put it in through one of the loops or something, or tie it off and then make sure you tie it to your camera. But at the end of the day, there are no instructions with the package at all, so it depends on how you want to set it up such that you have the best camera, angles and attachment, and whatever this thing is, however these used, you know, they're for a particular camera, I would assume. So again, it is the Fantaseal Action Cam helmet side mount for GoPro, Sony, all kinds of brands. Like, I'm just looking at the website. It says, you know, there's a huge list of cameras that it supports. 2 pivots, so you can easily disassemble, and that's pretty much it. So it's Wade from Wade's Unboxing, and if you have any comments, leave them below, and as always, don't forget to like and subscribe and click that bell button to be notified of the next video upload. Thank you for watching. Until next time, goodbye.